In my previous video, I reviewed Jobber overall and covered its features, pros, cons, and who it's best suited for. If you haven't watched that review yet, I've linked it in the description below. I recommend watching this first because it gives you a complete overview of the software. Today, we're looking specifically at Jobber's pricing because choosing the wrong plan can mean paying for features you'll never actually use. In this video, I'll explain how Jobber's pricing works, which plan makes the most sense depending on the size of your business, and whether it's actually worth the monthly cost. Before we look at the pricing, it's important to understand who Jobber is actually designed for. Jobber is built primarily for home service businesses such as HVAC companies, plumbers, electricians, landscapers, cleaning businesses, pest control companies, pressure washing businesses, and similar service businesses that schedule jobs, send technicians to customer locations, create estimates and invoices, and manage customer communication. If that sounds like your business, then the pricing will make a lot more sense because you're paying for software that replaces a lot of manual work and helps streamline your daily operations. Jobber offers multiple pricing plans, and while the exact pricing may change over time, I don't think the biggest mistake people make is choosing the wrong price. The biggest mistake is choosing the wrong plan. If you're a solo business owner or you're just getting started, the entry-level plan will usually give you everything you need to manage customers, schedule jobs, send quotes and invoices, and keep your business organized. As your business grows and you start managing multiple technicians or office staff, the higher plans unlock additional automation, reporting, communication tools, and workflow features that become much more valuable as your team expands. Instead of asking which is the cheapest plan, I think the better question is which plan actually matches the way my business operates today. Another thing worth mentioning is that Jobber gives you multiple billing options. If you want maximum flexibility, you can choose the month-to-month plan with no long-term commitment, although it comes at the highest monthly price. If you're confident you'll be using Jobber for at least a year, you can lower your monthly cost by choosing the one-year commitment option. And if you're ready to commit for the long term, annual billing gives you the biggest savings, with Jobber offering savings of up to 25% compared to paying month to month. So the right billing option really depends on how confident you are that Jobber is the right fit for your business. If I were running a small business with just one or two technicians, I'd probably start with the lower plan and only upgrade when I genuinely needed the extra features. But if I already had several technicians, dispatchers, or office staff coordinating multiple jobs every day, I'd seriously consider one of the higher plans because the automation alone could save several hours every week. In many businesses, saving just a few hours of administrative work each week can easily justify the monthly subscription cost. Now, here's something many reviews don't mention. Jobber isn't necessarily the right software for everyone. If you're simply looking for a basic invoicing tool or you rarely schedule customer appointments, then Jobber may be more software than you actually need. You're paying for a complete field service management platform, not just an invoicing application. But if you're currently managing jobs through spreadsheets, WhatsApp messages, handwritten schedules, or several disconnected apps, then Jobber can make a noticeable difference in how efficiently your business operates. So, is Jobber worth the price? For most growing home service businesses, I'd say yes, provided you choose the plan and billing option that best fits your business today, instead of automatically paying for the most expensive option. Start with what you actually need and upgrade only when your business grows into the additional features. If you'd like to try Jobber for yourself, I've linked the official free trial in the description below. And if you're still comparing different field service management software, make sure you watch my next video where I'll compare Jobber versus Housecall Pro to help you decide which platform is the better fit for your business. If you found this Jobber pricing video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel and tells YouTube to recommend this video to more business owners. And don't forget to subscribe to the Techno Galaxy for more software reviews, comparisons, and tutorials to help you choose the right tools for your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.